if you have jumped to the second block, for that 4.54 cents.
Yeah.
When you buy 600 units, another 600
Yeah.
now. Yes, now it will be how much? Instead of 1,600,
yeah.
we discovered, I think it was 2,700 and something, I can't remember.
Yeah. Okay.
2,729.40.
You see, I was
2,729.47. Once again, hi. Ke Rasemishi, we're starting another Eskom show.
Start properly, man.
With now more than 2 producers. One sitting next to me, and then the other one laughing at the back of all these lights and cameras. But anyway, Kalibizoke Rasemishi, and we are starting another show, Eskom, the long-awaited show, just to hear from our Ntombi what Eskom is intending to do to all of us. Today, I wanted to put some gloves on and get her some gloves because I believe for today's show is going to be more like a fight between myself and her. Because we are talking electricity hike and the prices, how do they go? And the block what payment, and she's good at explaining that, and today's show is more around that. Sister Ntombi, how are you?
I'm good, and you, my brother?
No, I'm good. Namhlanje ngiyabona ukuthi hayi.
Yes, no, it's only yes, I'm probably representing the brand.
Is it because of you're talking about money or Rajan? That namhlanje I should have got my gear, my social t-shirt and my social cap. Okay, the most important part here. Today's topic. Yeah, today's topic, what we are here about, the pedal issue. Eskom increase on electricity. How does it work? How much increase do we have? Let's start there. I don't want to tell you that. Apparently, Eskom says you should be telling me today. Yeah.
Yes.
How much increase are we having?
Yeah. Okay. Already effective of the 1st April.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is a few days ago.
Yeah.
Yes. The electricity has increased. By 12.74%.
Thank you very much.
Eskom. Yes. And municipality will be effective from 1st of July with 12.72%.
Okay.
And please remember, the electricity price is determined by National Energy Regulator of South Africa, which is NERSA, for both ourselves and other municipality.
Okay.
Yes.
So there's, I think this is what you are saying to me, that you are washing your hands off. Eskom has nothing to do with it. It's
No, I'm not saying that. We do apply. Yeah. Ideally, perhaps we'll have a certain percentage that we'll apply for.
Oh, okay.
But in terms of the final decision,
yeah,
that decision is made by NERSA.
Okay.
They are the ones who will grant us a specific percentage.
Okay. I think you covered that in the previous show that we've done, explaining how the process goes. But I must say, I don't think I understood it the way that you are putting it now, to say the final word goes with NERSA rather than with Eskom. So it's not like Eskom decided and say, this is what we want to cane the communities and our customers with. So yeah, I understand.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So we are going to pay 12.74 or 75%.
Yes. 74.
74.
Yes.
12.74% more on electricity. How interesting is that? But again, how is it going to work? I know we've done a video before, and then we spoke about. I'm not a good student here. I forgot some of the things that you said, but I can remember that there was 2 blocks. I don't know whether they are called blocks or tariff rates or whatever.
Yes.
But I'm sure you don't mind explaining that futhi namhlanje and usiningi ukuthi bathi ukuhamba kanjani nama blocks wakhona nani.
Yes.
So ihamba kanjani lento?
Electricity is divided into 2 blocks.
Okay.
Amabhloko amabili.
All right.
Kunebloko lokuqala. Ugesi uthenga ngamanani aphansi.
Okay.
Meaning block 1 it's at a cheaper rate.
All right.
And then block 2 it's more expensive.
Okay.
And also we have 2 types of meters.
Okay.
Amameter wethu mabili.
All right.
We've got a 20 amp and a 60 amp.
Okay.
A 20 amp it's a very small meter. Usually abantu bayuthola ne RDP.
Yeah.
Imeter leyo only covers for basic needs.
Okay.
Such that your kettle, your 2-plate stove, your fridge, just basic needs.
Okay.
And then as your needs changes as a customer, if you extend your house, then that's where you need to also then upgrade to a 60 amp.
All right.
And today I'm only just focusing on residential customers.
Yeah.
Which are the ones that have those 2 types of meters. But obviously for businesses it's a different story.
Okay.
But please allow me today focus on residential customer. Yes. Now I'll first start to explain the 20 amp imitengane le oitola kuma RDP.
Okay.
Yes. I did mention that it's at a cheaper rate. Now I'll talk about the first block.
Yeah.
The first block, we are able to purchase electricity up to 350 units.
Okay.
At a very, very cheaper rate.
All right. Okay.
Yes. And then if you are receiving what we call FBE, free basic electricity ugesi mahala.
Yeah.
Omasipala bayahluka across Gauteng.
Okay.
In terms of granting that.
So that's 20 basically.
No.
What you get probably go Johannesburg and Mpumalanga may not be the same. All right.
Now umusubheka lo 350 wama units.
Yeah.
Okhona ukuthi wathenge ngenani eliphansi. Bear in mind if we are in a certain municipality uthola ugesi mhlambe wamahala o 50 units. Kumele minus kule block lokuqala uthi minus 50.
Yeah. Okay.
That you're getting for free. And then you will remain with 300 units that you are still able to buy at a cheaper rate.
Okay.
But if you are not receiving any free basic electricity, then you're still going to be able to buy for 350 units at a cheaper rate.
Okay.
Meaning,
let's try to get it right, ne?
Yes.
And then so that when you're talking like 350 units,
yes,
we are not talking 350 rands.
No.
The units during how then you get those 74 point something kilowatts.
Yes. And we're using units because that's the language people are used to, but our language is kilowatt. Yes.
Oh, all right. So
yes.
Kilowatts
exactly.
Are we got that you are actually all right?
Asikhulumi ngemali. Yes, khuluma ngama unit ozowathola mawuthenga for instance ugesi we100 rand iphuma ama units amangaki.
Okay.
Now, angibuyeleke ukuthi before Monday i1 zaka April umuntu megcina ukuthenga abuya ku good from Good Friday on a Sunday it won't be the same price now because already we are in April. Now the old price, for example, on a 20 m meter le meter encane we got the E1 rand 94.10 cents.
Okay.
Kodwa ke the new price is 2 rand 18.82.
Okay.
2 rand 18 cents point 2.
All right.
Yes. Ozothenga ngayo i-unit
a lot. Yeah.
Now I'm coming to the 60 amp. The 60 amp we give to a maximum of 600 units at a cheaper rate. Meaning ukhona ukuthi uthenga ama units wakho kagesi up until 600 units.
Yeah.
Now still same principle. Uma ngabe uthola ugesi wamahhala u50 or u100 uqala ususe wona.
Yeah.
Ma uthola 50 uzosala ngo550, ma uthola 100 uzosala ngo600.
600.
Bese futhi ke uwenza the same principle kodwa ithi qala ngichaze ukuthi how much is electricity a new price for block 1 for a 60 amp meter.
Yeah.
A 60 amp meter in the past, or the old price before April was 236.9. But the new price now is 267 cents 0.1.
Okay.
That's the new price.
Yeah.
But you are able to buy for 267 cents up to 600 units.
Yeah.
Meaning, if you are not receiving any FBE, free basic electricity, like myself, then you will times or multiply the 267 cent 0.1 by 600. Then you get the total amount that you should purchase electricity for. Meaning maso multiply uzothola amount. Ngithe mangenze exercise also, I found you mustn't buy more than 1,600.
Okay.
Even if let's say you got a bonus or somebody gave you money because it's neyingane abo mama badala mhlambe umntana kuthe ithi ngikublesse ngo2000 uyothenga ugesi, please do not buy and exceed 1,600. Because still with that 1,600 you will get all the 600 units at a cheaper rate and try and consume up until at least you are left with whatsoever few days. You understand? Yes.
Yes, okay. But as you were saying, so what happens? How long if I spend, let's say for a 60 amp, I spend more than the 1,600
in terms of rents?
In terms of rent?
Yeah,
1,600, and I go over the 600 kilowatts per month. Maybe get 650 kilowatts. Then what happens?
If you have jumped to the second block, for that 454 cents, when you buy 600 units, another 600 now, guess now it will be how much? Instead of 1,600, we discovered, I think it was 2,700 and something, I can't remember.
Okay.
2,729.40.
You see our
2,729.40 cents. Oh, okay.
Means I remember correctly. Yes.
But now, that's a lot of money.
I think it's.
So what happens in the following month?
In the following month, on the first, you go back to the cheaper rate automatically.
Okay.
The system is automated.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Hence, then we.
So it doesn't keep me there.
No.
Okay.
It doesn't.
No, that's fine.
Hence, we emphasize to say, please save electricity.
I hear you. It's always quite an interesting thing. But what I've learned from the previous show, and then I like more, and I think our viewers should actually watch the previous show. We'll put a link on there. It's a fact that if because of, as you say, manyalo and you know, and sometimes they regret that we are pushed for more electricity.
Yes.
But then the question would be, what's happening next month? And if you are going back to block A automatically the coming month, I think it helps a lot. But still, going to the next block, it's like nearly double the price.
Yes.
So that's a bit heavy.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a bit heavy on electricity. So let's take a break, because of now we want to deal with a couple of questions, and then immediately after the break, Ntombi some questions on some of these matters. See you then.